Hey you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl, I am Kim Johnson, and I am back with another tutorial as promised. Okay, so I've been getting a lot of requests to do this eyebrow tutorial, and I finally decided to go ahead and edit the video and get it up for you guys. So the video you guys are watching today is an eyebrow tutorial for these brows. For these brows. In the video, I did not use concealer because I'm not doing a full face makeup today, just lashes and filling in my brows with a little lip gloss and going on about my business. So I'll come back and do another tutorial with the concealer. Okay, so as you know, make sure you guys hit that notification bell, make sure you like the video, and make sure you subscribe so you can get all of the new videos on Sunday when they drop. Bye. Baby.